Hi everyone, welcome back to Eziok. Today we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. You are here for a detailed video tutorial on how to create a custom letterhead template in Microsoft Word. Hang out and learn something new, but before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification so that you never miss out on our latest videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means all the world to us. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment down below the comment section and let us know your thoughts and ideas. Alright, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to give a description of a letterhead. So if you don't want to listen to this intro, skip the intro, go to the next time stamp. A letterhead enhances written communication in a couple of ways. Practically, it provides a quick and easy way to identify the sender of the message as well as a reference point for contact information. Letterheads also makes a memorable impression on whoever receiving it. Customized letterhead is another way to comprehensively communicate using your business visual language to pull together a branding vision. Using a letterhead template offers several benefits and serves multiple purposes in business communication. I'm going to give you some reasons why organization and individual uses letterhead templates. The first one is actually professionalism. A letterhead template adds a professional touch to your correspondence, makes your communication look polished and official. It reinforces the credibility and legitimacy of your organization or personal brand. Another point is on branding. Letterhead templates typically includes company logos, name, and possibly a slogan or a tagline. This consistent branding helps reinforce the brand identity and visibility with every piece of communication sent out. Another point is consistency. By using a standard letterhead template, you ensure consistency across all communications. This includes not just the visual design, but also the layout, the fonts used, which contribute to a brand recognition. The other point is also about contact information. A letterhead template often includes contact details such as address, phone number, email, and a website. This makes it easy for recipient to find your contact information when needed, promoting accessibility. Another point is why people use letterheads for legal and official purposes. Informal or legal contexts, using a letterhead template can be essential. It indicates that the document is official and issued by the organization, which may be necessarily for contacts, contracts, agreements, or other important communication. Marketing and promotion is another reason. Beyond the basic information, letterhead can include additional elements such as social media handles or brief overview of your services that promotes your offerings without being overly intrusive. The last point is using a template saves time and effort creating each document from scratch. That is on point of efficiency. Once the template is set up, you simply fill the top content, ensure that all the necessary elements are present and formatted correctly. So in overall, letterhead templates are practical and effective tools for enhancing professionalism, referencing branding, and streamlining communication process in both corporate and personal context. First and foremost, before you begin, you'll need a very well designed letterhead image saved as a good quality JPEG or PNG file format. You can request that from your graphic designer or design agency. If you have it in PDF, you can open the PDF and save it as a JPEG or a PNG. So this is my letterhead for a delivery company. I've designed it in Affinity Designer. So this is what I'm going to use, and I have saved it both in PDF, JPEG, and this is the native Affinity Designer file. Here with me I have also a dummy text for our letterhead. Another thing you should also know is that these steps apply for Microsoft Word 360 for PC and Mac, Microsoft Word 2021, Microsoft Word 2019 and 2016. These steps don't apply to Word for the web or Word for mobile. These only for PC and Mac. So we are going first to open Word. You can go to Word and then new blank document, but for me I've already opened it. You go to layout, then ensure you have selected your size to A4, orientation to portrait. We are going to bring in the letterhead image, so go to insert, then you will see here the header and footer menu. You go to header, then you insert. You see the header is activated, and also the footer is activated, but we are going to insert here the header. So from here you can go to insert image, then picture. Another way to do this, let's delete this, then go to header and footer, then close header and footer. You can just click outside here, then come at the top here, the top of the page, then double click. Then this is another way of accessing the header and also the footer. So we are going to add the image. So go to insert, then picture, then pictures. You're going to go to your file destination where you've saved the file. Then I'm going to select the file image for the letterhead. Then I'm going to insert. So this is it. Then you go to picture format, then go to position, select any of these, but normally I use position in top center with square text wrap. Then I'm going to use these corners to make sure that it fills in the page. So select any of the corner and just pull to the edge. Do that until it fits to the edge. You can also pull it up to make sure it goes to the top. Check to make sure that the bottom was also aligning. So I'm going to pull the bottom to ensure it aligns to the bottom. Then I'm going to make sure the left also aligns. So I'm going to push it to the left. You can see the green lines for horizontal and vertical. That means I've placed it, the margins have aligned since it has filled in correctly. The next thing I'm going to do is go to head and footer, then close. It has fit in nicely. So I'm going back to the header and footer, select the image, then go to picture format, go to wrap, then you want to have the text, the image behind. When you write text, you want to have the image behind the text. So we are going to select on behind text. So we are going to header, footer, and then or just click outside the page to get out of the header format. So we are going to we are going to bring our dummy letter. So we are going to go to open the master delivery letter. Then you are going to go to copy. is Control A to select all, then copy, minimize, then paste. So as you can see, the text is beyond is overlaying our design. So we are going to use enter to bring it down. Then the text is also overlaying on the right side, so we are going to use your cursor, then hold on shift, then enter. Same to this, hold shift, going to hold shift, enter. Ensure that is well formatted. So this is our letterhead. Once your letter is ready, you can save it and send it to your client or print it. This letter looks very faint, but surprisingly, when you print or you save it as a PDF, it's very, very clear. The colors are very clear, very bright. One other thing is we are going to press enter. You go to the next page. When your letter is too long, it will go to the next page, and you'll realize that the image also repeats on the next page. You can also set to, instead of appearing on the next page, it appears on the third page. That is when you go to do what you set it to alternating pages. So what you do, we are going to go to double click at the header, then don't select the image. You can just have it on the first page. When you say first page, it means the image will not appear on the first page, but it will appear on the second page. When you deselect that and select the different odd and even pages, it means your letter will not appear to the second page. But let's try it. This is the second page. The letterhead, the image is not on the second page, but when you go to the third page, the image appears. You can do this when you want to save on color. So you can have the second page blank and have the third page with the letterhead image. So when you are done with the option you want, you'll now want to save it as a template on your Word. Let's go to File, then Save As, save, Browse. Then you come here, down here, then you go to Word Template. Once you select Word Template, then you give it a name, master. You give it a name. Sorry. Letterhead. So save it as master to delivery letterhead. Then you go to save. Your document will be upgraded in the newest file format. Of of course, while you get to all new features in Word, some minor layouts changes are possible. If you refer to upgrade, press cancel. Yes, so yes, go on. So we are going to close this. We're going to go to Word. So when you want to write your letterhead, when you want to write your letter, you go to New, then you go to Personal, then you'll find your letterhead. You can always delete and add new information, or we can also save this, save as, go to then go to Word template, then save as blank. So when you go to open a new page, a new template, go to New, Personal. You can always open a blank one, then you start writing on it. So you can always save this Word template to all your workstations so that everyone has an access to your letterhead without a problem. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Easyok, for more video tutorials. Check out these videos on the screen. We hope you found this video helpful. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe, Easyok. Hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Check out our playlist for more Microsoft related content. What do you think of this video tutorial? Let us know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.